Mentak arpo terik ulber arjar arposan ka Little Flowers High Secondary School Ummulong kalapelong ye kalempung ye lekai ke annual sports meet ke balai po. Ya ke pelong ha kamadan jong ke school ke balasdang menta kesngi. Ya kani kesngi lesdang da kejing ruai pedang burom na kikena school bot sa kejing pedang singobha da upadar Polikarpus Shila bodai principal jong ke school balpen me ya kasyarang yele ka sports da kinong yele ka bepau jong ke school hak balpen bot sa kejing penkiu ya kalama jong ke school da ukong san jong kati kesngi u Dr. Desa Mehi Muksor balple ya kani kerensan yele ka pen isam kani kalempung kalong ro kum sibenta ban airin san yikina kin pen I yala kisap kipong ha kilyang jong kejing yele ka beper ha kani kesngi kilapun I pho iping da kejing don kirang ba bat kinong khot sngew bha
This auspicious day, the 30th annual school sports of Little Flower Higher Secondary School, Ummulong. I'm here first and foremost to praise and thank God for the beautiful day He has given to all of us, the manifold blessings upon Little Flower Higher Secondary School, Ummulong. On behalf of the school management committee, the teaching staff, the non-teaching staff,
a huge round of applause to our chief guest, together with our guest of honor.
The Wang P one day I your P. I'm having it kena. P day I your P talk of best time mele. P and P day I go dinoy kay sneng ipi gijing meya. And you ipi kintin, and you klam ipi kintin, you meya klam ipi kintin, you will persiaw to ipi. Many penentang ni lobby sempat kami porong ini. The PM man we cannot. You empat, you empat tam. The generation you empat tam.
We run our lovers through and show our love and loyalty true to live our lives and keep the rules. This is our pledge that we renew. For God is all our strength, in Him we find our joy to do and live for Him. Our talents will employ, then let us rise and lead, sing praises to our King, and pray that God will bless our Little Flower School. We'll prove our love by service true, and spend our days in loving all. To be performed by all the contingencies
Please come and inspect all our contingents.
of Little Flower Higher Secondary School, Ummulong. I hope everybody will enjoy. Thank you. Chang Chai di placard bearer, Edward Tos Chadaf di flag bearer. Evelyn Lamarin, the commander of Yellow Team, Girls Section, Esther Panyagapan, placard bearer, Blessing Lee Sari, flag bearer. Rise with strength, play with pride. In the yellow house, we stand with stride. Hey for Michela, the commander. Even me, Downey Katko, placard bearer. Rupiah Khan, flag bearer. Taking a grand salute with our chief guest. A very quick Hamluki, the commander, Nati Van Roy Lalu, placard bearer, Diamond Lamban, flag bearer, from the yellow team. Winners never quit and quitters never win. Slogan of the Red House, so inspiring. With ribbon meeting, Hamluki, the commander, A-Bar Beach and a placard bearer, 6-star Tugru flag bearer. Boys section.
I, in the name of all competitors, taking part in the 30th annual school sport meet of Little Flower High Secondary School, Ummulong, I promise that I will compete with honor and respect in the spirit of true sportsmanship. I will abide by the rule and regulation of the game and sport, recognize the commitment of the tireless effort who make the expensive possible. I pledge our true spirit.
It can be sport, it can be study something else, but don't spend time in watching mobile or watching something in screen. That will not help you to release your stress. Okay? Point number 2, sport with health. Lot of people, especially if you go to a doctor's, they will like to say, to tell you, you have to do a little bit of walk, a little bit of exercise, a little bit of that. But an athlete, a person who is to have a good sport, with a good, doesn't have to be a good athlete, but without taking care of his diet. A lot of athletes also have a problem with their health. But why? The reason is they are not taking care of their diet. So, being athlete, it will also, you have to take care of your diet. Once you have the diet, so that's what it comes, sport and health. It will bring you a good health. Good health in a sense, why? Because every day you will be doing what you like. It can be running, like I said, it can be jogging, it can be playing, anything, outdoor especially. Or it may be indoor, like badminton, or it may be anything. Because why? You are moving your body. May this sport bring all the competitors love, not only competing, but love also with each other. Compete with love, compete with passion. With this, I cut the ribbon. And I declare that the 30th annual sport meet of Little Flower Higher Secondary School open.
A huge hand.
Mi vida. Basuki bin sa pasyalan